Hello YouTube, we are on the Croatia boat show in Split, and today with us is the co-inventor of one special anchor that we can see now in this video.
Hello. So this is the special anchor, Adriatic anchor. I think you haven't seen something like that before, at least regarding the assembly and disassembly of the anchor. It's so easy, fast, and I'm just gonna show it, then we're gonna do it, and up, and you're done. That's it.
This is incredible. I can see that you can disassemble this anchor in less than a second, maybe in 2 seconds, because you have only one bolt that is holding, but it is also very safe with this one bolt, and it is the shape of the new type of generation of the anchors with this bolt and with this fluke. How long are you on the market?
Well, we are relatively new on the market. We're still pushing through. Well, we're kind of entering these trade fairs so people can get to know us. We're just trying to make it in the Europe first, because I think Europe has quite some water to sail on. Then I guess sky is the limit.
Of course, of course. Very nice. And you are actually from Slovenia.
Yes, exactly. This is also made in Slovenia. It's not some Chinese stuff, so we use only the best materials. It's handmade by us, so every single anchor goes through my hands, and so we exactly know what we're selling.
Well, it is certainly interesting to see that still some products exist that are not made in China. Of course. Tell me, what size of the anchors are recommended? With this new generation of anchors, it is actually a rule that you can go with less weight for the longer boat, for the bigger boat. It is probably because of the shape of the anchor, because the whole strength is in this fluke, and because of this it always falls on the right side and sets very, very fast.
Yes, that's true. Well, the sizing factor should be, let's say, approximately 1.5. So if you take the length of the boat, you multiply it by approximately 1.5. It may vary depending from the weight of the boat. If you're scared, you can take a bigger size. Of course, there's no problem. It comes in 5, 8, 12, 17, 22, 28 in standard kilograms. Of course, we can do heavier on request. Of course, in 2 different materials: steel, hot galvanized, and stainless steel, electro-polished. So we use only the best materials, so we know what we're selling. It's not some cheap stuff.
And the easiest way to get in contact is by the internet, and you can ship your product all around the world, probably.
Yes, of course.
The shipping cost will depend regarding of the destination, but you can show us here. You have also the box.
Of course. It's a very nice one. See?
Yes, this is how this 5 kilo anchor will come to your address if you order it.
Of course, it comes secured by all this foam, so it doesn't get scratched. That's for the stainless steel version, of course. And it's reinforced, so it won't fall apart. Don't worry about that. And it's your choice what you're gonna put on your boat.
Yes.
If you want to anchor your boat safely, of course there are many options, but this is the fastest one.
Yes, and by a small chat that we had before, I'm actually aware that your price is really good comparing to the competitors that have the similar shape of this type of new generation anchors. So, dear viewers, please look in the description below and you will find a link to the address, internet address of the co-author, co-inventor of this beautiful Adriatic anchor, and you're free to order some for your boat.
Don't be scared, contact us. If you have any questions, just ask. We'll be happy to help.
Thank you very much and see you again.
Thank you. Bye.